How to fix Epic Games login loop problem. If you're facing a login loop problem whenever you're trying to sign into Epic Games, first try signing to Epic Games on your browser and see if that helps you. So open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Click the sign in button from the very top right hand side of the screen. If you're being able to log in on the website but it is looping on the app, chances are there could be a problem with the app. So in that case, you can try to uninstall and reinstall the app. But if you're also not being able to log in on your browser as well, then there are a couple of things we can do. Before we proceed to log in, if you had signed into Epic Games account using a Google or other accounts as such in this case, you can try to log in your account using those. If you forgot your password, you can try to reset your password. But other than that, if you have synced your Epic Games account with any of these accounts, you can see it should be able to give access to me for my Epic Games account without any prior issues. So hopefully this video helps you understand the question, so you can click on the yes continue button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and fixes like this.